Watching. Our first ingredient is lemon, and if you do not have lemon, go ahead and use some lime. However, in this recipe, I prefer lemon. You can also choose to mix both of them together. Now we're using lemon in this recipe because lemon promotes hydration. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It improves your skin quality. It supports weight loss. It aids digestion. And not only that, lemon helps to freshen the breath. Our next ingredient is ginger, and this is a piece of ginger I have here, about 2 ounces, that has washed and peeled. And ginger helps with digestion. It helps to boost the metabolism. It helps to stimulate the digestive juice, and ginger also helps to relax the muscles, therefore eliminating gas. Ginger also helps with blood circulation. It is great for the stomach. Overall, ginger is great for weight loss and a whole lot of other benefits to the body. Our next ingredient is turmeric, which is really a brilliant yellow orange spice that add color to like curries and stuff like that. However, turmeric is filled with antioxidant properties that is great for weight loss. Turmeric will help to speed up the metabolism. It aids in digestion. Turmeric also helps to settle the stomach, detox the body to get rid of all the toxin and build up in the body that you really do not need in your system. It is really a wonderful cleanser. If you are feeling nauseous, turmeric is also going to help with that. Our final ingredient is green tea, and this is a tea bag. If you have loose leaf, go ahead and use that. Green tea may be beneficial for weight loss by helping the body metabolism to be more efficient. Green tea contains caffeine, a type of flavonoid, which is an antioxidant. This can help to break down excess fat while increasing the amount of energy the body uses. Therefore, it's going to help you to lose weight. You're going to need a pot since we are going to be boiling this tea. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to prepare our lemon. So I'm going to wash the lemon. Make sure to get good quality organic lemon. So now I'm going to wash and chop the lemon. Now that the lemon is washed, I'm going to slice the lemon, and we're not going to peel this lemon. We're going to use up all of this lemon. So we're just going to slice the lemon, small pieces. And now the lemon is ready. We're going to push that to the side. Reaching for our ginger, which is about 2 ounces. And we're also going to chop the ginger in small pieces. You can always choose to grate the ginger. However, chopping the ginger is just as effective as grating. So we're going to chop the ginger in small pieces since we're going to be boiling the ginger. So now our ginger and lemon is ready, and we're going to place this in the pot. So we're just going to put our lemon in. Now, if you're using lime, you're going to do the same thing. And like I said earlier, you can choose to mix your lemon and lime together. It's going to be just as great. Now, here is our green tea, and we're going to put it in. We're not going to open it. Now, if you're using loose leaf, use 1 teaspoon of finely crushed green tea or 1 tablespoon of loose leaf fold green tea. So now we're just going to drop this in. And reaching for our turmeric powder, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now this is going to give us about 10 ounces of liquid, which you could use twice, okay? And now we're going to pour our water on, and we're going to use about 12 ounces or so of water. Add enough water for evaporation. So here it is, and now we're going to boil this for about 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to boil this, and then I will be back. So here we have our tea after boiling. And what you're going to do with this next, you're going to strain, you're going to remove all of the ingredient and leave just the water. So now we are going to strain. So here is our cup, and we're going to strain this directly into the cup. And note this wonderful color that we have. Make sure to get everything out. Now this we're just gonna discard. However, if you make a lot and you have to put away some, then just pour this in it and strain when you're just about to drink. That way it could infuse even further. Now here is our tea, and you need only about 6 ounces of this. Now you can choose to drink this as it is, or you can choose to put just a little touch of honey in it. Now personally for me, I do not use the honey, I just drink as it is. Now once you drink this, you need to drink at least 6 ounces every night just before you go to sleep. You're gonna drink a lot of water with this, and it's just gonna flush the system out. You need to eat a sensible diet with this for even faster result. Just before you go to bed, 6 ounces, and upon arising in the morning, make sure to drink a glass of water just as you wake up, and you are good to go. Continue to use this until you achieve your desired weight.
So there you have it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Go and make this wonderful remedy. Try it, come back and leave a comment. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you.